Hello mga katante. I will just show you what I make today. It is body cream from tallow and olive oil. So this is what I made for today with vitamin E, rose essential oil, and bergamot. So if you have a very dry skin, especially now in winter time, so you need to use this one. I have this old bottle with pump, so I will just put like that, but I will just show you. I just take some cream and this one. See, the smell is good. See, it's very shine.